Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a very common problem, that is remove duplicates from sorted array. So the problem is pretty simple. You are given a sorted array and you need to remove the duplicate elements in place. That means you can't use any extra space. You have to modify the same array. At the end, you return how many unique elements are left with the elements. Let's take a quick example. If the input is 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, after removing the duplicates, the array should become 1, 2, 3, and the answer we return is 3 because there are 3 unique elements. Now, let's understand the idea. We use here two-pointer approach. One pointer is used to go through the array and the other pointer keep tracks of where we should place the next unique element. This for loop is to go through the array and this k keeps track the unique element. Okay, we start with k is equals to 1 because the first element is always unique. Now we loop through the array starting from index 1. At each step, we compare the current element with the previous one. This is current element and this is the previous element. Nums I means nums 1 and nums I minus 1 is equals to nums 0. If they are different, it means we found a new unique number. So we place that number at index k and then increase it. If they are the same, we just skip it. Okay, here you can see nums k is equals to nums I, and after that we increase, and this is the final solution for the question.